Hello dear students. In this module, we will discuss about the various disorders related to the circulatory system. In the class 11th, we have to discuss about the disorders related to the life processes. So, in this module, we will discuss the various disorders related to the heart. You might have heard about a person who is suffering from heart attack or a person who died due to the cardiac failure or the cardiac arrest. Are these words are same? Cardiac arrest is same, heart failure is same, and it is similar to the heart attack. Actually, the biological answer is no. The heart attack is something different, cardiac arrest is something different, and heart failure is something different. We will discuss all these three things, and also we will discuss how a doctor performs a bypass surgery. What does it mean? So, in this module, we will study what is a cardiac arrest. The first thing what we have to study is about one arteries present in our heart, that is called coronary artery. Coronary artery supplies blood to the heart. You know, heart is made up of cardiac muscles. These muscles are restless muscles. These muscles is called restless. Why? Because they work throughout the life. So they requires oxygen for proper functioning. So there is a artery which supplies oxygenated blood to the muscles of our heart. That artery is called coronary artery. Due to deposition of some cholesterol or due to deposition of some inorganic salts in the coronary artery, if they stop supplying the oxygenated blood to the heart, then this condition is said to be the heart attack. At that time, our heart doesn't have sufficient oxygen to pump the blood. This condition is called heart attack. So, heart attack means what? Heart attack means the presence of less oxygen in the walls of our heart due to deposition of something in the coronary artery. But heart failure is different. You know, if anybody is securing less than a passing mark, suppose that 40 mark is passing mark. If a student secure 25, we say the student is failed. How heart is failed? Heart is failed because it doesn't mean heart stops working. It means heart is pumping the blood, but the sufficient amount of blood is not pumped by the heart. This condition is called heart failure. It usually happens when the muscles of the ventricles of the heart becomes loosened. You have studied in class 10th that the ventricles of the heart pumps the blood. If ventricle muscles loses its power of pumping the blood, this condition is called heart failure. In this condition, heart is pumping the blood, but that pumped blood is not sufficient to meet our body demand. So, the heart attack means the less oxygen presence in the walls of the heart. But heart failure is not same. Heart failure means heart is pumping the blood, but that blood is not sufficient to meet the demand of our body. What do you mean by the cardiac arrest? If a police arrest somebody, what he will do? The police will keep that particular person in the prison completely shut. The cardiac arrest is same. When the wall of our heart is broken down and heart suddenly stops beating, that complete stoppage of heart is called cardiac arrest. These are three different medical elements which is present in the medical history. So these are the three different terminologies found in the medical terms. Now we will discuss what do you mean by the term bypass surgery. Actually, bypass surgery is not for heart failure. It is also not for cardiac arrest. Then only the patients of heart attack or the patients who have chances of getting heart attack, the doctor performs the bypass surgery for that. So what does it mean? Usually the meaning of bypass surgery is, suppose that what the bypass mean? You might have heard this word in detail. Suppose that this is coronary artery, CA. This is coronary artery. It is supplying the blood to the heart for proper functioning. and here we got some blockages in the coronary artery, due to which the sufficient amount of oxygenated blood is not provided to the heart. What doctor will do? Doctor will cut veins of that patient from the hand or from the leg, and he will make one bypass like this. He will join a new vein like this. So this is a bypass pathway, so that oxygenated blood will come. It will hit this, but it will not go that side, even though it will take this new pathway to reach to the heart. By this way, doctor will save the patient's life by providing blood a new pathway. This is called bypass surgery. We will discuss more disorders in the next video. Thank you.